This is the Lithionics Battery System we're installing on a 1965 Hatteras 34-foot Sportfish. This battery takes the place of an 8D AGM battery that was used for the start bank. This small battery has twice the starting power of an 8D short cycle start power. And then this battery, which is substantially larger, has about 550 amp hours usable in this battery. And it also replaces 8D AGM batteries, two of them, in one package. And this is a Lithionics aluminum case, 550 amp hour 12 volt battery with external battery monitor system. So this battery plugs into this battery monitor system and then distributes the power, and also that takes the charge. The smaller start bank has an internal battery monitor system, BMS, and you can turn this battery on or off simply by pushing this button. And then it connects to your phone or iPad via Bluetooth and can give you individual cell voltages. And then we have a state of charge remote that tells us how these batteries are physically performing and the internal temperature, internal impedance or resistance. This one battery replaces two 8D AGMs, so this one weighs about 125 pounds, whereas 8D AGM is more, significantly more weight and more room. So in this particular application, we're going to reduce the overall weight by about 300 pounds and increase the start capacity and significantly increase the house bank usable capacity. These batteries are at least 100% more efficient than AGMs.